Hello guys, isang magandang umaga sa inyo. Hello internet. Isang panibagong vlog na ulit sa inyo. Panibagong araw. Isang maaraw na napaka-araw na umaga. Anyway, guys, attend tayo ng birthday ngayon at yung ka-work ni Mrs. Okay? Sama ko kayo doon sa kanyang maliit na konting handaan lang naman. At ito first time namin umattend sa mga ganitong party dito sa Pitay Sari. So kasama si Hani ngayon at kita-kits tayo doon. Saan ang punta?
Ewan ko.
Birthday ngayon ni Maridel? So ngayon nyo lang nakita si Hani. Ngayon lang siya nagpakita sa camera. So paano guys? Mamaya ay kita-kits tayo doon. Hindi namin alam kung anong madadatnan namin ngayon. Basta yun na yun. Bahala na.
Yung katrabaho ko.
Oo, katrabaho mo. My birthday yung katrabaho niya. Ano rin, nurse din dito sa Finland guys. Bilibong tayo na, tuntungan tayo dyan sa ano? Ayan, sa... Bili muna daw kami ng something. So, something na ibibigay. Oh, diretso na tayo. Ano yun? Basura? Actually, magsi-6 na guys. Pero parang 3 o'clock lang. Oh, dito tayo kasi magsi-6 na siya ng gabi. Mainit na siya. Mainit na, no? 16 degrees. Dito kami sa isang maliit na town ng Finland. Ang tawag dito ay Pitay Sari, Jakobstad. So pwede na tayo dito kasi dito yung parking tayo. Okay. Nauna na siya. Tignan nyo yung ano. Walang katao-tao. Dito. Kasama ko siya yan. Yun guys, walang katao-tao talaga rito. 6 PM na siya. So dito tayo. Normal. Dito. Olen Uniiki. Anong bilhin natin? Ha? Ano ang bibili? 1 euro. Yung mga nasa Pilipinas, ano na yan? Time is 60. 1 euro is 60. 60 pesos. Saan? Ito? 5. Maliit. Kuha ka na ba? Ito yung ito yata. Oo nga. Kuha ka na isa. Hindi, Gliss yan eh. Di ba ito? L-Vital. Ito.
Oo, kanan.
5 lang.
Mm-mm.
5 euro guys. Time is 60.
Tama?
Yes. Ano? Anong bibili natin? Na bibigay mo? So, dahil hindi namin alam. Ayan oh. Yan. Ito na lang siguro. Oo. Mm.
Ay, ang ganda.
Yun na lang bigay mo. At least. Pero bit-bit ko lang. Tapos tingin pa tayo dyan. Kasi ano siya, pwedeng everyday, di ba? Kaya lang ang laki niyan. Okay lang ba? Sige, yan na yung isang ano natin. Gusto mo? Choice natin. Okay lang ba yan?
Ito lang. Ay, ang laki ng ano nila.
Ano?
Kaysa sa Pilipinas. Ay, meron kasi. Ang laki yata. Baka ayaw na to.
Mas maliit? Ikaw?
Pag nag-travel sila.
Hindi ko alam. Ano? Malaki doon? Tingin tayo ng iba. Wala. Laki yung makita. Hindi namin maisip ano pwedeng ibigay. Yun. May nakita ako. Pwede to. Tingnan tayo. Parang may nakita ako dito. Pwedeng ibigay sa kanya. I think okay yung pabango. Dito.
Yung Elizabeth ba yun?
Oh, yan. Pwede rin. Mga babae ba yan? Yung mga ganyan. Oo.
Akin yan.
Hindi ko mailagay yun. Isabit yung mic. Ano? Okay na? Saan ka? Bumalik na naman doon. Ano? Titos. Ay. Ha?
Ito.
Okay. Ito yung mga bata guys. Oh. Lalaro. Tignan nyo naman tong town na to. Walang tao-tao.
Nag-ballbag ka doon?
Bolt meron. Buti nakasama ko ngayon si Honey. Oh. Hi mo naman dun sa mga ano natin. Yan. Pareho kami di marunong mag-vlog. Ayan. Ayan, tumatawag na.
Scotch tape na lang.
Reverse.
Punta na bro. Huli!
Papunta na dyan.
Papunta na, sige, sabay-sabay natin kakain. Kasi,
Ano?
kaya lang hintayin namin. Kasi sila, sila Anthony, pupunta.
Papunta rin.
Oo.
Kailangan sabihin mo kung ano yung tama.
Basta kung alam makita pagkain na yan.
Oo. Sino na ang mga nandyan?
Andito si si Abby, si Shine, asawa ni Shine. Dali, parating na raw sila Jojo, 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Okay, see you.
Parating na.
Kuha pa ako ng ballpen at saka ano yan, itatape ko pa yan.
Gusto mo, ibaba mo na lang. O, ikaw,
Pwede naman.
kunin mo na lang.
Hindi, baba ko na lang, oo. Tapos yung ballpen kuha ako. Ikaw na lang magsulat.
Pero ito, taas mo na.
Oo, okay. Happy birthday! Ay, hindi, akala ko.
Wala, dami mo yatang ano.
Oh.
Ganda.
Say hi naman bro sa mga ano natin, followers natin. Hey bro.
Nalakan na mga to eh. Buti kayo masakya kayo kahit ito. Si Ann naman kasi, yung bola niya.
Meron sa ano.
Temana. Asis. Masarap siya temana.
Okay, masarap naman siya. Hindi siya masyadong buhay.
Eto, kumain ka dito?
Ayo.
Mag-iwa ka naman ito. Iwain mo ito.
Pabilog yun.
Yung kailan pa uwi na kami.
Pwede pa naman nilang gatuin.
Nakatagot ko lang ito yung ulo ko yung kita yung palot ko dito.
Ano to, Alan?
Semana.
Saimada.
Semada. Ayan.
Cake.
Cake yan, bro.
Anong cake? Maraming cake.
Strawberry.
That is blueberry and raspberry.
Raspberry.
Ito.
Wala ko, kain.
Kasoy.
Hula-hula.
Hindi mo pa ng pangalan? Ginawa mo?
Hula-hula.
Cream bread.
Ha?
Hindi, bro.
Anong pangalan niya?
Sipon ba siya?
Hindi, sipon.
Sipon?
Sipon.
Sipon? Ilang taong ka na, Maribel?
41 po.
41? Parang ano ka lang, 35. Ayan na, Jay, inom ng tayo. Okay, nakawang minute ko na.
Ay, kinantawa na. Purok ka dyan.
Ang ganda ng gift ni Alan, no? Gift ni Alan yan.
Si Brenda ang una. Kasi akala niya ako. Kay Brenda niya ako nabinigyan.
Ano?
Kay Brenda, akala niya ako. Dumating.
Galing siya dito, di sa
Tapos
Breka.
naubos.
Padating ka.
Ito na eh.
Okay dito.
Ay,
Ito na lang,
sige.
taglit mo.
Kaya ito, bro.
Ayan si August.
Nakakaya. Pasok.
Oh,
Bakit? Overtime?
Hindi.
Kaya na kayo. Nandito pa yung kanin.
Maraming may sakit rin natin. Pinapasok siya.
Pag Saturday, Sunday, panggabi, ito, Brenda.
Sa Saturday, sabi tayo.
Every day, off ba ako?
Jamming.
Bro, sa Saturday, inom tayo sa bahay.
Saturday?
Oo.
Wala pa. Walang pasok nun. Wala kang pasok ng galing, no? Wala tayong pasok. Friday, Saturday, wala tayong pasok eh.
Eh, kinamay ko
Saturday,
lang
di ba,
po.
ano?
89 yan. Di ba, Negre?
Sige, pwede siguro.
Ayun, sakto.
Pwede yun.
Ano gusto ko yun? Tasa bro.
Sige, honest review.
Honest
Huwag mo
review.
yan. Gandap yung...
Walang kayo.
Honest review.
Kaso kinain yung...
Ang Champi ba yan? Champi? Champi?
Ay, di ba lang kung ano yan, bro?
Hindi, Champi yung ano niya eh, pangalan ng...
Champi yan.
Kaya pacham yan. Pero sa akin, champi.
Ito yung pudding mo eh.
Pudding ba yan?
Yung nasisira ng ano?
Tinapay.
Tinapay?
Tingnan mo, napapanis ang ano niya sa'yo.
Hindi, ganun ginagawa natin, di ba?
Pag mga, ano talaga, pag mga pudding, yung mga mayamag. Pero yan, wala kang mag yan.
O hindi naman.
Hindi naman lahat,
Hindi
bro.
pwedeng may omag-pinin mo. Oy, bot mo.
Sa Pilipinas kaya, may,
Yun-
may mga
Maasim-asim,
molds.
no?
Hindi, yun yung sinasabi
Pero
nila
yung
masarap na gawin
oo,
pudding. Yung
sumobra lang
medyo
siya
na
sa rin.
matinapay na.
Hindi, okay lang sa akin.
Ganun ginagawa na sa bakery. Tatrabaho natin ako sa bakery. Ganun ginagawa.
Uy, naka 1 point ka. Okay sa kanya.
Meron pa dito bro, meron pa.
Sige, sige, labas mo.
Hindi, hindi. Ano?
Ano ba yan?
Paro lang kami doon.
Ano siya?
Tapos, yung isang araw natin punta
Kung
kami
saan saan siya napupunta.
Nag-Airbnb
Tawel.
siya.
Pero hindi siya nag-edit ng ano yun, ng basketball.
Binaliktad na niya.
Pero kung meron mag-edit ng mga basketball highlights kung anong gagawin, sigurado.
Hindi mo dinala yung
Kasi nasa Pinoy basketball community siya
Pwede
dito
daw,
sa
pwede
Pinoy.
daw.
Sky mo na plano.
Hindi, Roro.
Ano, kasi tatlong araw lang kami. Baka naman. Mura lang rent namin sis, 153 days. Mura siya.
Saan?
Pero hindi naman namin
Sa
pinili yung
Paris.
magandang ano, hindi kami kumuha na
Din. Makatawid ka na lang mo.
Okay.
Anong gagawin?
lahat tumuturo na.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Ayaw mo, dali.
Saya ano mo?
Happy birthday to you. Kembot mo naman.
O, bulan mo na.
Mamanta-manta.
Ano wish mo?
Madamdam ah.
Sana tumangkad na ako.
Wala.
Oh.
Para hindi mo na ako sabihin na 10 na ako.
Ilan taon na?
Yan na.
Ay, nalubat si ulit.
Ay, no!
Ayoko na!
Bakit sa mga bintana?
Uy,
Hindi meron dito sa Finland.
Sarap.
Mga ganyan na natin sila.
pero dito rin sila natin. Ito.
Kuha nga. Isang
Ilan
masang.
mo pa siya?
Hi,
What's
how
your
are you?
name?
My name is Remus.
Yemos. And this is Jenny.
Jennifer.
And that's it.
TF.
Yeah. They are from Esperi.
How are you? I'm fine.
You.
I'm good.
Oh, why I'm cold? Why you so big?
Baka mahulog yan, te.
Sometimes yes, sometimes it depends.
Everything.
What do you know about Filipino food?
Some of the food is that is
Adobo.
Adobo? What is
But
that?
we're still
It's good?
The one you taste.
Oh, was it adobo?
Yeah.
Ah, but what was this rice and this? What you make it? Your husband make?
Rice and beef?
Chatbula. Was it like here? Balls. I don't remember.
Ah, okay.
Maybe.
That's beef. Meat, beef.
Very good.
Yeah.
Very good.
With garlic.
I mean, this.
And food here is very good, delicious.
Bawang.
Yes. We are in the red street. Ah, did you see?
How you can say
Did you see the red street?
What?
They have red street
Flavor.
in what is the name? In Philippines, they have a red street.
Something?
Red.
Street.
What?
Red street. Now we're gonna celebrate our
oh, picture
Friends?
mo send ko sa kanya, send mo sa akin.
husband and wife.
Sino niyo ate Mela?
Bakla.
Ay, ayoko.
And the apps there.
Picturein mo, send mo sa akin para di ko makatulog
Jennifer.
ng
more
pangalan.
deep.
Bilhin natin.
Thatcher's
Brenda.
apple and black currant
And
cider.
Marian.
Brenda's eyes are already closing. Like this.
Jello something. And rice.
Masarap pag maraming
Welcome.
Why do you want me to open?
Because I like it.
Okay.
Okay.
What do you want to see?
This one. Don't
Zoom. Ah,
Aha.
that's nice.
Maraming panghugas.
Kaya ano yan eh? Yung bigay sa'yo na ano yan, di yan.
Ay, gusto niya nga i-open
Kay
eh.
Abby. Okay.
Papa.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hand
That's
soap.
nice, handsome.
Hand soap.
I love
Hand
you.
soap and
And
Clean more.
massage oil.
Kating ko.
Wash your
Kailangan mo
teeth.
daw yan.
if you have,
What is that?
I think massage oil.
Oh, that's nice. Can I test it?
This?
Taste?
Yes!
I want
Yes,
to.
smell it!
That's nice.
White flower
It's
pa
very
naman.
good.
Para white flower siya.
Saan kayo binili ng ganyan? Kailangan din.
And
Bakit din? Nagbakasyon yun sila sis. Sis, nagbakasyon yun sila. Nagbakasyon
What is
yun sila,
that?
Tapos nabili sa
Lip
Singapore.
gloss.
Smell.
Marami Singapore.
Smell
airport.
this?
Yeah.
Can I see?
Ayan, it's Vicks inhaler.
What is it?
Hindi, kailangan mo yan.
Where you buy this?
Ramos,
It's
have you
filled
tried
like...
this?
No, I don't
Try
want
first.
Why?
Because he don't know yet the...
Try it, Ramos.
Is it when you sick? That's nice. Where you buy? You?
In the store.
You?
I don't know.
Yeah, I know. For her. Where you buy?
Why me? I'm not the...
No,
I'm
eat
not the
this
creamy
first.
No.
Ramos.
Okay, no problem.
It.
No, no.
Just,
One
Meron
spoon.
pa.
just try
One
little.
spoon.
Oh my God. They force me to eat this and eat this. Oh my
Let's
God.
go.
Eat now.
Now,
Sa Filipino.
let's try. It's Filipino.
That is
What?
buko pandan.
Dessert.
Buko
Panda.
pandan.
It's pandan.
It's pandan.
Panda, just like panda.
Eat it with spoon.
Isn't it?
Is it good?
Mm.
You said you don't like it.
Did you put spaghetti in?
It's chili.
I'm seeing spaghetti
this,
and
that.
different things.
Jessica.
This one looks like rice cake.
Look at.
Rice cake.
No,
She loves to eat a lot.
rice noodles.
Rice noodles?
This.
No, it's a
What
jelly.
is that? What is
It's
that?
jelly.
I don't know, you're vetting.
Can you?
It's a seaweed.
Okay.
Oo
Seaweed.
nga, seaweed yan. Di ba?
I just say weed.
Yeah.
Ah. Yeah, they say weed.
They're laughing
Ah.
us.
Alas siya. Oh, mayroon talaga.
You know, they're laughing of us because we don't know nothing what we eat. Maridel, how was it present?
Agar-agar.
Was it good?
Seaweed.
Okay, let's try it.
I wanted to open it all.
Yes, please open it.
Just read.
Feeling ko amor-amor.
Read first.
Yeah.
Panda ka talaga.
English. You are really panda.
Happy birthday, Maridel. God bless.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
And
That's
bye.
nice.
Kay Kuya. Kay Ate
Her
Marian.
husband is
at saka
there,
kay
you know.
Jojo.
He,
From Ate Marian and Kuya Jojo.
yes, he make everything for
Yung isa kanina yun.
her wife. You know.
Magkapatid yun. Bunso yan.
Yung kanina yung isa minuksan mo kanina.
Kay Abby. Yun.
Is the this
Ay, pancit canton eh.
this is the husband and this is the wife.
Are you vlogger now?
Yes, I'm vlogger. Yes.
Si look at...
Candy.
Ay,
Candy!
Sour Patch.
Candy Crush!
Her favorite.
It's my favorite. Yeah.
That's nice.
And the other one, I know that.
She's like a little girl, you know.
New York.
Ganun din siguro binili.
NYC.
NYC. New York Corporation.
New York City.
Thank
She's
you.
waiting for the Christmas presents.
Parang habang ano kayo.
Thank you. Thank you, Kuya Ate. Oh, then,
Yes. Okay. That's
Remus
nice.
gift.
That was
Okay.
very
Remus
nice.
gift.
Can you see again what is there? Yeah?
this is from
Can you let's read in the language what you have it
Brenda.
and what they in what they say, what she say?
What is it?
What?
What is
Mexico.
inside?
Mm.
Aha. Damit.
Damit.
It's damit.
The
Wow,
meat.
swimsuit.
Okay, let's see.
Swimsuit.
She gonna dress on that, you
winter
know.
jacket.
So she gonna dress on that. So it's good. You know?
Wow,
It's
just like
from-
Punta ka sa opisina.
It's from
She's
Hoam. It's from
Ay, papalitan ko na si Sarah ngayon.
Cresical, but don't do that.
So she wanted to be a manager in Esbury.
Yes, yes. Of course, of course.
Ay, pumunta.
I'm Puma. I'm Puma now.
Mita?
Mita.
I am Sarah, no? Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Kitos pala.
Nice to meet you.
That's good.
Yes. Yes.
Ano, yung
That is from Hoyam. It's little bit little for her, but it's okay.
Pants yung sabi
You
ko
know.
sa'yo, huwag ka na mag-pants ng pink.
Can,
Ngayon, alam niyo na ako na si Sarah.
yes.
Tinalo ko yung outfit
Soon
niya.
she's gonna give to other people from Aldring's home.
Buhok ka
You don't even know what Ramos is saying. You don't know what he's saying in that video.
And she get this.
This is the grand,
See?
grand
Vietnam.
This is the grand,
No need to open. It's already there.
grand gift.
I hope
grand
she
gift.
gonna drink this
No need to
everything.
open it. It's
No?
there already. See? See?
You can open all this. The
What lid?
Not it.
Open your...
I have
Where your...
No, just put it under.
open this
Okay,
also.
this is good.
More wine.
Wow, what's that?
Open this.
Christmas
Oh, it's like a long tete.
It's a Christmas
Ramos!
tree. Coming from
Yes.
It's long tete.
Of course, you know what you do with the.
With the long tete.
It's a lot possibility.
That's coming from
You see?
Ramos.
Yes.
Remote.
Akla?
Akla.
Yeah, okay.
Crazy girls. They say akla to me.
Smell already a
But-
battery? Usi
But,
battery?
they don't know what
That's
is
flowers.
it with that. So let's see what is it. She doesn't know how she open it. So let's see.
Ramos.
What?
Get
Okay.
By the.
by them.
For you, okay?
Okay.
Oh,
Yes.
they want me that I'm gonna be more fat.
Oh my
I'm so
God.
slim, you know. I put it there.
Is it?
Thank you so much.
Wow.
Tomorrow change that.
Yes.
Nice.
What was it?
It's broken.
Really?
Yeah.
Change it.
Yeah.
No, may I see?
I know.
May I see?
No, it's broken.
It's
Ah,
broken.
yeah, it is.
Tomorrow
Change,
change for
change.
you.
Change tomorrow. You change.
Me?
No, she.
Why? Why is that?
But you have the receipt?
Yes, she
Which one you
has.
like? They will
I
see.
have tested this one
It was
already.
expensive.
This one.
Which one did you make?
It was really
Ah,
expensive.
which one
I don't know what she's doing.
Why?
What you say?
Finish.
I don't know what you say.
Kitos Palion.
Oh my God.
Maraming salamat po.
You know the.
Marama.
If you
Maraming
see
Marami.
salamat
Salamat
po.
po. Marama salamat po.
Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you so much.
This good. This
Bullshit.
inside is good.
And now with
But
this,
this
they make
is-
a very good this. They have time to make this, you know, and also that.
Tomorrow I'm going to do
Now it's
pasta.
So,
happy. I open
we're
it
gonna
all.
try to eat.
I'm gonna do
How is it
pasta
tasting?
tomorrow.
It's good tasting.
Mango.
Was it mango? And I have also with some delicious like.
And here also.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, this look good.
That one is for next year's birthday.
Still you have?
So how was it the
For
presents?
next year.
Good. It's good. Kitos Palion.
Oh my God.
I think she's referring
Time
to
is
the bar.
9:14
You like more to this one, I think.
and it's going dark, you know. So look at how wonderful the flowers.
Better than the last one.
Very awesome.
The one I ate in Christmas. No,
Very sweet.
No.
you gave me two. You gave me this and
It's
coffee.
very good.
The other one is yogurt.
No, it's exactly.
That is
Not like that.
Color only, but that is yogurt.